Well, this morning brings us calmer conditions. Some cloud cover starts to move in before we turn windy and then active. All of that will be thanks to this cold front that's going to move closer to northern Illinois. Right now, you could definitely see that cloud cover filtering in. We're going to turn a bit gloomy, but at least we're still warm. Not only that, but we're also a bit humid. Dew points are in the 60s, really close to your current temperatures, meaning there's a lot of moisture in the air. You'll notice that as you head out the door. Some of us already getting into the 70s, 70 degrees in both Rochelle and Dixon, 68 in Beloit. The rest of us will slowly follow, actually reaching for the 80s by your afternoon. And in that time, we're also going to turn a bit breezy. Your winds are really going to start to pick up by lunchtime, gusting near 30 miles per hour, if not slightly over. So anticipate those breezier conditions, especially into the early afternoon. Still a bit breezy throughout your evening and even into parts of tonight. That will lead us into that severe potential coming in this evening and afternoon. A 1 out of 5 for most of us, but we've actually been downgraded. So if you remember yesterday, we were a level 2 out of 5. 1 out of 5 for the entire area. If we see a thunderstorm or two become severe, damaging wind gusts, hail, and even tornadoes will be possible. So all hazards are on the table if we see a thunderstorm or two gain severe strength. We could see a passing shower or storm into the early afternoon. Cloud cover with us, but a bulk of that activity really doesn't reach us until after 5 o'clock, getting through your evening hours. So here's what 7 o'clock will look like. We'll start to see some showers and storms move through. And again, a storm or two could bring us those gusty winds, hail, and even a tornado. We will continue to watch that as we head into the rest of your evening. But as we move throughout the evening hours, that severe threat will slowly diminish. Now 9 o'clock, wrapping up our Tuesday, we're likely going to see those areas of heavy rain moving through. Same goes for overnight. Rain still with us in some capacity, some pockets of heavy showers even expected early Wednesday morning. We're heading out the door tomorrow, still likely going to need the umbrellas. 10 o'clock, the showers slowly start to move on out, and then we get a lot of dry time throughout really the latter half of your Wednesday. Even a glimpse of sunshine is possible. In terms of how much rain we'll see, a lot of us picking up close to ½ an inch, could see some spots getting over an inch. Others could even see totals as high as 2 inches. Now, it's really going to depend on where those areas of heavy rain move through. So could end up seeing some higher totals locally, and keep this in mind as we still are in that drought. So we could see some localized flooding, but heading into early Wednesday, the showers will move out. We're also going to drop a bit cooler Wednesday, back into the 80s. Thursday with some sunshine, another drop with showers expected early Friday. Back near average this weekend with mostly sunny skies and a chance for rain on Sunday. We'll be right back with your final news and weather.